Hi, this is Lee Gettess with my weekly analysis for the week of February 2nd, 2010. Um, all charts we're looking at will be provided by Genesis on their Trade Navigator software. I honestly don't remember how I did my job before I had this. It's a great piece of software. Starting with our Treasury bond market, they haven't done much of anything extraordinary this week. They've been staying inside of the previous week so far. It's possible based that they could be just kind of rolling over sideways here, and it's also possible that they're just waiting for Friday's employment report before they do anything important. We've got resistance up in the mid 119 area up here. You can see roughly 119 and a half, 119.16 area. I'm not sure if they can get there. They kind of seem to be just rolling over a little bit here. There's very good support in an area here, roughly 117.28 to 24. If they break that, they could go down into this area, which is roughly 116.12. But it won't surprise me if they just sort of stay in this little sideways. You can see last week didn't do much outside of the previous week, and then this week is inside the last week. They might just stay in basically a sideways pattern here, at least until Friday's report. Those employment reports can change things in a New York heartbeat, so we'll just have to see what they do then, but I'm kind of not looking for much of anything out of them for the moment. In the stock market, after all this time, we finally broke down last week and got into this area here that I thought was probably a buy, and they have turned back up nicely from there. However, if you look down at the bottom of the screen here, you see the RSI has broken lower than it's been in quite some time. And I think that indicates that they probably will not just go straight back up. I mean, I'd expect them to at least go sideways and possibly even make another turn down. So they may have gone as far as they can this week. The next resistance up in this vicinity is about 1108, and I'd be a little surprised if they got higher than that. If they do, then maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're just going straight back to new highs. But I kind of think they either won't get there or they'll stall around 1108. And I'm not sure they'll break down. This down here is like roughly the 1055 area. I'm not sure they'll break down that far. It's certainly not this week, but I just don't really expect them to go straight up. I do think, though, over the next few weeks we will see them running up to new highs again. So that's really all I've got for you this week. I hope you guys can find something good and profitable to trade for yourself, and hopefully you'll check in with us again next week. Thanks.